In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your conversations in Slack to make your workspace more efficient and tidy. Let's dive right in and get started with the essentials of managing your Slack channels. First, begin by navigating to Slack either through your web browser or the desktop application, according to your preference. Once you've opened Slack, you'll need to sign in with your email credentials. Alternatively, to simplify the process, you can use your Google or Apple account for a quick login. Upon logging in, you will find yourself at the Workspace selection screen. Here, you simply click on the workspace that you want to organize to open it. Slack gives you the flexibility of using either the desktop app for a more integrated experience or continuing right from your browser, depending on what suits you best at the moment. Now, onto the organization process. One highly effective method to keep track of numerous conversations is by creating sections. Start this by clicking on any channel on the left sidebar. Look for an option labeled Create Section. Once you find it, select it. You will then be prompted to add a descriptive name for your new section on the sidebar. Choose a name that clearly represents the categories of channels you intend to include, making your workspace intuitive and easy to navigate. After entering your chosen name, click Create. It's as simple as that. Now, to move channels into your newly created section, the process is straightforward. Begin by clicking on the channel you want to organize, followed by selecting Edit All Sections. You will notice checkboxes appearing beside your channels. Select the checkbox next to the channel you wish to move. Once selected, click on the option that says Move To. A list of sections, including the one you just created, will appear. Click on the section to which you want the channel to belong. For example, if it's a marketing-related channel, you might place it under a section named Marketing. Remember, after moving your channels, it is crucial to confirm your changes. To do this, simply click on the checkmark that appears, ensuring all your meticulous organization efforts are saved. An alternative method that some users find more intuitive is the drag and drop feature. You can click on a channel and drag it from its current location to your desired section in the sidebar, offering a more hands-on approach to organizing your workspace. And there you have it. By tailoring your Slack environment to your needs with neatly categorized sections and organized channels, you'll find yourself breezing through your daily tasks more effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in optimizing your Slack experience.